Hi, welcome to Teacher's Healthy Eats. Stop eating 10 grams of protein for breakfast and wondering why you're hungry by 10 a.m. In 2026, the secret to a sustainable shred isn't eating less, it's eating smarter. I've engineered 3 high-volume breakfast bowls that hit over 40 grams of protein for around 430 calories. We are talking savory umami oats, a one-pot spiced coconut porridge, and a fresh Mediterranean bowl that actually tastes like a cheat meal. All these take under 10 minutes to prep. Stick around for the pre-protein secret that keeps these bowls creamy, not mushy. Let's build them. First up, my spinach mushroom chili oil savory oats, rolled oats, umami-rich shiitake mushrooms, fresh spinach, soy milk, cottage cheese, kimchi, a soft-boiled egg, chili oil, and furikake. First, heat a pan and drizzle in a little olive oil. Add finely chopped onions and cook just until the raw smell disappears. Don't rush this step. This builds flavor. Now add shiitake mushrooms. Let them cook until they release their moisture, and that moisture cooks off. That's when the mushrooms actually start to taste meaty. Season with salt, black pepper, ginger powder, and paprika. Once everything's well coated, add spinach and cook just until wilted. We don't want overcooked greens here. Set this aside. You can cook rolled oats in the Instapot 2 minutes on high pressure, but today I'm using a saucepan. Bring water to a boil, then drop the heat to medium to high and add your oats. Stir once, then add unflavored plant-based protein powder or pea protein powder, totally optional, but this is how we boost protein without changing flavor. Stir immediately to avoid lumps. Now pour in soy milk and stir continuously for about 2 minutes. Let it simmer until creamy. Then turn the heat to low and add soy sauce. Taste first, only adjust salt if needed. Creamy, savory oatmeal base is now ready for the bowl. To plate, creamy oatmeal first, then the spinach mushroom mix, add low-fat cottage cheese, drizzle a little olive oil or sesame oil, and slice in a warm boiled egg. Boil it alongside the oats to save time. Finish with kimchi, a drizzle of chili oil for heat, and furikake over the cottage cheese. This bowl comes in at about 439 calories with 41.5 grams of protein, balanced carbs, and satisfying fats. Insanely filling. For the bowl 2, we are making a one-pot veggie coconut oatmeal, rolled oats, mixed veggies, aromatic spices, coconut milk, skyr, and a turmeric chili spiced egg. This one smells unreal while cooking. Start with olive oil in a hot pan, add cumin seeds, bay leaf, cinnamon, cloves, and green cardamom. Let them splutter until fragrant. Your kitchen should smell amazing right now. Add chopped onions, a slit green chili if you like heat, and mixed veggies. I'm using potato, carrot, green beans, and peas. Love your morning shakes? Add these 40-gram whole food wins to your toolkit. Hit subscribe to join our 2026 performance community. Now let's spice things up. Season with salt. Add water, black pepper, and ginger powder. Toss in fresh mint leaves, cover and boil on high until the veggies are cooked and bubbling. Now add rolled oats and unflavored plant-based protein powder of your choice. Stir well, then pour in coconut milk. Cover and cook until the oats are fully creamy, about 8 minutes total. To serve, top with non-fat skyr, season it lightly and add a spiced boiled egg with salt, turmeric and chili powder. This bowl is cozy, hearty and perfect for cold mornings, coming in at around 445 calories with 41 grams of protein. Last up, a Mediterranean-inspired breakfast bowl that's fresh, colorful and incredibly satisfying. Start by sautéing mushrooms in olive oil over medium-high heat. Season with salt and pepper and cook until golden, then set aside. For this bowl, you'll need Greek yogurt or low-fat cottage cheese, hummus, avocado, onion, cucumber, grape tomatoes, roasted chickpeas, boiled eggs, dill, and lime. Build the bowl slowly, yogurt first, hummus on top. Drizzle olive oil, sprinkle paprika, add the veggies, eggs, mushrooms, and chickpeas. Finish the avocado with lime juice, season everything and garnish with fresh dill. Look at this! Colorful, balanced, and insanely flavorful. This bowl lands at about 430 calories with around 40 grams of protein. 3 bowls, all hitting that 40-gram protein threshold for that perfect morning start. Prep these bowls for the week and let me know in the comments which one are you trying first. I'll see you in the next one.